Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your personal information in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, where we have some recommendations, some sales, some articles that we might like. But from here we have to go into the settings menu, the little person icon in the bottom right corner, and then here in the account section we find my personal details. If you tap on this, then here we can add our name, our email address, our phone number, and our birth date, and then just tap on update, and it's going to update our profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.